Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to disable PayPal notifications. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the PayPal application. Or you can do as you can see as I did and go to the web and click on paypal.com. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the home, send, wallet, activity and help options, and a lot of other options here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and disable PayPal notifications. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically what you need to do is go to the top right corner, as you can see. And when you're in the top right corner guys, you just need to go and select the settings. Here, you'll have a lot of options: account, security, data and privacy, payments, notifications, and seller tools. Click on the fifth option, which is notifications. Here, you'll have a lot of notifications guys, where you can go and then disable any notification that you would actually like. We have a lot of options, a lot of notifications here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.